So guys, I just want to greet you all an advance Merry Christmas to all of you guys. And guys, every time I will say, basta laging tandaan, masaya ang buhay. Basta kayo na ang bahala, diba? Sabi nyo lagi, happy lang. Guys, thank you so much. Again, advance Merry Christmas or Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone. Guys, before we will start para legit, guys, from Philippines to Dubai, from Dubai to Canada, guys, Tudong Ed is back, Season 2 here in Surrey City, British Columbia. So, grabe guys, kung makikita nyo guys, diba? Diba? Kung makikita nyo, diba? Yung mga puno, diba? Yung garden natin, wala na, erased na siya, snow na siya. At saka, yung mga puno, pati yung bahay yung sintik na, diba? Snow na siya. So, kung makikita nyo din doon, diba? Mga puno, super cute, super nice. Grabe guys, ang lamig. So I'm alone. Grabe, sarap. So guys, first time here in the snow. Guys, after how many minutes guys, silok at ang nangyayari na. Di ba? Silok at yung puno guys. Yes, grabe oh. Look at guys, how beautiful. So silok at guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung snow ha. Yung mga snow guys, oh. Di ba guys? Ano, gagawa tayo ng shake. Gagawa tayo ng shake guys. Lalagyan natin ng snow. Okay. Ito palang maganda dito guys. Kung magnegosyo ka ng shake, hindi ka na kailangan ng ice. Mulot ka lang ngayon ng snow. Galing mo, Dudong Ed. Galing mo talaga. So, yun yung garden natin, yun yung apple, tsaka grapes. So, wala na. Okay, tingnan mo guys. See, yung mga puno sa malayo. Ang ganda. Oops. Tingnan niyo yung mga puno guys. Oh. Ganda tingnan na. Wow! Bye-bye, Mau! Bye-bye! Enjoy the snow! Uy, magpayong ka na! Wow! Okay, bye-bye! Guys, just want to explain it to you guys. Di ba lagi kong sinasabi na Season 2 na ang Dudong Ed channel guys. From Dubai to 14 days quarantine here in Canada. That is Season 1. So meaning, paglabas natin sa quarantine area, doon sa Best Western Hotel guys, paglabas natin, yun na po yung Season 2 natin. So guys, kung makikita nyo, lagi po nating sinasabi, Dudong Ed, Season 2, ito na yon. So guys, this is it guys. So guys, As what I've told you always, we have a choice to be happy. Guys, basta laging tandaan guys, masaya ang buhay. Basta happy lang. Woo-hoo! Yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe guys in order for you to be updated for more videos to come. Guys, I love you all. Grabe. This is what we call a white Christmas. Babos guys.